Okay, ready or not, here we go. We're going to try this again. This is going to be shady. I can't make any promises. So now we're sitting here while SL is supposed to be working, and the three of us are talking HL. Okay, so when we talk about the intersection of planes, if we just have two planes, either they could intersect at a line, they can be parallel, or they're the same plane. Okay, so there aren't any other options if you're just looking at two planes. But if you have three, then we have more scenarios. So, for example, they could all be the same plane. So plane 1, plane 2, plane 3, all the same. Then, or it could be that 1 and 2 are the same plane, and 3 is intersecting them, and these 3 intersect at a... Those 3 planes are all intersecting at one... Vector? No, they're intersecting at a line. You see how, like, those 2 planes, so plane 1, plane 2 is this one right here. Plane 3 is kind of sliding through right there, but they intersect at this line that's kind of going through them. Or you could have 2 are the same, and 1's parallel to that. Or here's where we turn the page and things get interesting. Hang on. Are we working over there? Okay, that's in the video. Awesome. Okay. The other scenario is that you've got 2 of them that are parallel, and one of them is slicing through both of those. So 2 of them intersect at a line, and 2 others intersect at a line, and 2 of them don't intersect at all, but all 3 of them have nothing in common. Do you see that? How in this situation, we've got, you can always come up with picking 2 of them to intersect. You pick 2, they intersect. You pick these 2, they intersect. But if you pick the ones that are parallel, they don't intersect. But if they say, where do the 3 intersect? The answer is nowhere. Can you see what I mean by that? Okay. Another scenario is that all 3 of them are parallel.
Favorite one.
That's your favorite one, yeah. There we go. All of their normal vectors are the same, or multiples of each other. The other scenario is that they all meet at one point. Okay, that's kind of a nice scenario that we like to work with. It could be that they all meet at a common line. So do you see how we've got those 3 planes that all intersect at that one line that's sliding through them? Yeah. And the last scenario is that any 2 of them intersect at a line, but all 3 have nothing in common. Okay, do we see how that works? So we've got these two are hang on just a second. These 2 intersect, but they intersect at a line, and this line is parallel to that other plane. See how that's happening here? This line that's the intersection of the bottom 2 planes is parallel to the plane here that has nothing to do with those 2, but where those 2 intersect. Same scenario here. You've got this plane that's kind of going up and down. This plane here. It's those 2 intersect at a line, but they're parallel. That line is parallel to this 3rd plane that has nothing to do with that line. So this scenario, we will say that there is no intersection, even though, because when you pick, you can't get all 3 to intersect in the same place. You could pick any 2 of them and find an intersection, but you can't get all 3. We'll look at numbers in just a second.